First you take a standard piece of paper, not too thick, not too thin. Crease it down the middle, open taper, bend the corners, bend them in. Now you want to fold the point down neatly.
Thanks for joining us on Paper Takes Flight. Today I'm going to show you how to make an original design of mine that I call the Starship. The first step is to fold this side to that side. Now open it up and take this corner and fold it to the center line. Same on the other side. And now take this corner and fold it to the middle of that line. Like that, and same on the other side. Now fold them back out. Take this corner and fold it to the line. Same on the other side. Now open this up and take this and fold it out. Fold it behind the center line. And then fold it where we did before, but into the center line. Same on the other side. Now fold it in half. Now fold this down. Same on the other side. Now open these up, fold them down too. To make this fly better, you should put glue in here, 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 and in here. Stay tuned for a test flight coming right up. Please remember to subscribe to see my newest paper airplane videos.